Digital gamified learning excites kindergarten and primary school students to learn subjects. Iris AI Digital Board with Bright Class application offers adaptive games for younger children. Suppose you want to teach the parts of a plant to the students, then a simple drag-and-drop matching game can help you teach in an interesting manner. Teachers getting into the learning mode of students and teaching them in their way makes it the best way. Teachers can create new games for their students and engage them to the fullest. Studies show that adaptive games improve retention and understanding. With Bright Class on Iris Interactive Panel, students are not just passive recipients of information, but active participants in their learning journey. Make Iris AI Digital Board part of your digital teaching journey today.